Yung binabanggit po ninyo, Ginoo, na interesado pa at gusto pang ipursige ng Kongreso ang impeachment complaint na ito ay tumutukoy sa 20th Congress, hindi ng 19th Congress.
In my opinion, Mr. President, kasi kahit sumagot ang 19th na they're interested, they cannot bind the 20th Congress.
In that regard, the chair agrees because the chair has been saying from the start of these proceedings since late February that the trial will be conducted by the 20th Congress. Given the lateness of the hour that the impeachment complaint was filed, the most that the 19th Congress can do would be to issue summons and require the Vice President to answer the charges against her, and such other orders that we can make in the 19th Congress that may be used by the 20th Congress once it proceeds to trial. Pero tulad po ng binanggit nyo, tatawid ito, hindi rin paniniwala ko, at kung may mga pag-uutos man tayong gagawin, kaugnay niyan, makakadagdag yun sa argumento na ito'y tatawid sa 20th Congress. Having said that, the chair, the presiding officer, has every intention of issuing summons at the end of these proceedings. Again, in order to make sure that we make most out of the time of the 19th Congress, leading to the actual trial pag nagbukas na po ang 20th Congress sa July 28.
Just a point of clarification.
Senator Poe is recognized. You may proceed, ma'am.
Since we have our two legal luminaries here. So if we remand it to Congress, will the presiding officer still issue a summons? Or are we going to wait for...
Yes.
Pwede ba yun? Na-remanda sa kanila pero we're still going through the process?
The motion of Senator Cayetano, he said, is subject to style. That's why the chair was earlier clarifying
I have no objection.
what the effect of that will be.
Yes. Mr. President,
Because
may I-
again, the intention of the presiding officer before we end the proceedings in the 19th Congress is to issue summons.
Yeah, Mr. President.
Okay,
So
no,
perhaps-
no, no.
so perhaps,
what is the
let
goal, Mr.
Allow the
Presiding?
presiding officer to finish,
Yeah.
Your Honor. So perhaps we can entertain several orders to be issued by the court in order to address the concerns of Senator Bato and the other senator judges for information so that we can make a judgment once trial resumes in the 20th Congress, while at the same time requiring the Vice President, the respondent, to answer.
So what...
What is the pleasure of the lady?
Yes, just another clarification.
Yes, please.
Last. When we remand to Congress, what are we expecting them to comply with? Let's say we remand it to them, and then it takes them a day and they return it to us. Do we continue with our
I think
discussions here?
the point of Senator Judge Cayetano was clear earlier. That's why I asked for a clarification. Number one, for them to submit compliance requirements that they did not violate the one-year ban provided for in the Constitution, because as Senator Judges Ontiveros and Gatchalian mentioned earlier, and Senator Judge Pimentel, we cannot take judicial notice of these things. We need information emanating from the House of Representatives. And number two, for the members of the 20th Congress to so indicate that they are still persisting with the case, given that the trial will be held by and under the 20th Congress. This presupposes the earlier statement made by the presiding officer and some members of the court that the 19th and 20th cannot bind. The 19th Congress cannot bind the 20th Congress. The 19th House cannot bind the 20th House. Same is true with the 19th Senate. It cannot bind the 20th Senate.